What's up guys, you're watching this tutorial, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is SU-101337-5. If this error is displayed, your PS5 console may not have started properly. So I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. Look at that, and you just simply sometime get the error some kinda, and you just go check your system, and here is the system software update. You must check your system software is up to date or not. Sometimes you're using an older version and some file are corrupted, that's why you get some type of error on your display. And you must check the storage also. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, or you just simply go to turn off your PlayStation 5 and rebuild the database. Simply just rebuild the database or clear cache in the safe mode, and after that your corrupted file will be deleted, and you can just simply update your system software, or that's how you can simply do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next topic.